What is a Chromebook? It's a laptop that runs on Google Chrome operating system. The Chrome operating system is designed to work on the cloud, so that means everything, your files, your apps, even your desktop lives online, not on your laptop, and is the same wherever you sign in. That means never misplacing your files or losing your work in progress. It's all right on the cloud. Why did our schools choose Chromebooks? Chromebooks are by far the number one devices in schools because they are easy to use, versatile, and secure. We know trust is earned by protecting privacy and providing worry-free security. It helps that Chromebooks come as laptops and tablets with big screens and small screens, and entry models are affordable. They are built to be shareable. This means you and your child can use the same Chromebook and each have your own profiles and files. In fact, in many schools, students share Chromebooks with each other. Students have Google accounts. Each student has an HCDE student account. Typically, these start with 2 letters and a series of numbers followed by @students.hcde.org. Students are only able to send emails inside our Hamilton County Schools domain, which means they cannot email anyone with a Gmail address, Comcast, Yahoo, any of those. Students are only allowed to email their peers and their teachers. All Chromebooks will have the HCDE bookmarks that are connected to each student email. What are Chromebooks used for? Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides make classroom collaboration easy. These are popular tools, and there are apps to learn skills like video making, podcasting, and coding. You may also have heard your child talk about Google Classroom and Canvas. These are tools some teachers use to help organize student classwork and assign homework and projects. PowerSchool can be accessed on a Chromebook, as well as iReady and Mastery Connect. Each Chromebook has screen brightness keys on the top row. You can look for these. They are near just above the number 6 and 7. You can also access them by clicking on the clock and adjusting the display slider. For parents interested in keeping their children safe and taking the safety measures one step further, you may want to download the Family Link app. The Family Link app is great for monitoring your students' daily use, what apps they're on. You can also set time limits. You can also manage their account and establish rules for your child. If you're still needing tech support, you can contact our tech assistance hotline. The number is 423-493-0350. Someone will be there to assist you Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. each day.